Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you the couple of settings that we need to tweak with the Zotero standalone application in order for it to do what we want it to do. So if we jump over to Zotero now, we'll see that I've downloaded it and I've run it for the first time, and obviously as expected there's no content here and there's no sub collections or anything. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Zotero, Preferences, and we want to jump over to the sync tab here, and we want to enter the same details that we've just set up for our new account as was mentioned in the previous video. So remember the right password, hopefully that accepts it. Here we go, we're linked, so we're going to be able to make some choices here. We can sync attachment files with my library using Zotero, we can download at sync time, we can make a couple of choices. Now what we need to do for the first time we've run it, is come over here and hit the sync button. And as we can see, all of a sudden this Zotero standalone app is talking to the cloud server and gathering all the information. So hopefully what we should see is that our standalone now looks exactly the same as our online library. So these two are talking to one another. Okay, fantastic. One more thing we need to do is another preference. So in this preference, what we need to do is go over to export. And what we use here at SAE is the APA, American Psychological Association, 6th edition. So we just need to make sure that that's selected, rather. It could be on any number of different ways of doing it, but that's the one we need you guys to set up here. I've also set this to be English UK. There isn't an Aussie one, sadly, but UK spelling is much closer to the Australian spelling. Once we've done that, that's basically us. If we want to add citation styles, we can do so here. We can get more styles on the web. So now we're set up to sync, and we're also set up to export APA, which is exactly what we wanted. So in the next video, I'll show you how to actually go about dealing with your extension for your browser and gathering some references, and just how elegant that this process hopefully works for us. Okay, thanks a lot.